Uba Preston dan Song uba kami ekatanat PWD Roads ulumi ke Jingialang banetai sani halor ke jingtmu ban Shna yaki Surok dakat National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL ke berkentup yaka 4-lane road ke ban peneso bat ka Panchgram hagajla Assam bat ke Shillong Western Bypass ke bahab arilum khasi bat jantia bat ke Daina Dubi Darogre William Nagar Junction Road bat ke Tura Dalu Road ke badan harilum Garo. Habekran beginang patai kubor uba Preston Song ulong ba Haga District West Gentia Hills but East Gentia Hills. Ki Deputy Commissioner kila penlong Jingialang man la kapor man penbed ya ki mat ki bami. Ulong ba ka 4-lane road ka deka way ni ki project ka bakongsan bahaya ke jela ya ka balakot daga North East Corridor Project. Kabala dep ban kentup Commission 2047 da ke Sorkar NDA. Agabedai Surok Shillong Western Bypass uba Preston Song ulieto ba Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi ula sedang bansam ya ke bai jaka try jaka ki belai ke jaka jongki bat cisen berada ban IT ke jaka ke NHIDCL kan sa IT no kini ke jaka ki company bagian sedang no mardor ya kakam.
I have directed all the deputy commissioners to have a committee in their district level under the chairmanship of the deputy commissioners. Whenever the project of NHIDCL takes place, this committee has to be activated, and even the land issue needs to be attended to while solving of alignment is undertaken. So that also I have given the order that it should be quickly constituted, the committee in the district level. Again, more detail we discuss about the ongoing survey of the 4-lane from Maulungkum, we call it Maulungkum, to Panchgram, connecting Assam again in this valley. The NHIDCL has already reported to us. They have updated that the survey is going on, and then the committee from East Khasi Hills under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner also is very active, and the review meeting in the level is being called regularly in case of any land issue with the landowners or with the Raj or with the Himas, whatever. Then the district committee is supposed and also take appropriate steps to resolve all those issues. So same way in West Jaiti Hills and East Jaiti Hills, the deputy commissioners is now on the job, having a regular meeting in their respective district to resolve those issues wherever, because as I said to you, when the survey is on, we are able to know which landowners who is against parting the land, or who is the village who is against of parting the land. Then in case if that situation arises, then the deputy commissioner will call a meeting, will discuss what the concerned landowners along with the village authority and resolve those issues. I'm very sure this survey, as of now, it goes well, and I'm very sure very soon they'll be able to complete the survey works and also the assessment for the
Hakabaydai bat ka Daina Dubi Darogre William Nagar Junction Road uba Preston Song ulong bakane ke project kan sa sedang nok mardor. Hadin bala pendep egejing IT ke jaka dekat nat forest nagbenta ka compensatory afforestation. Ndai ula pentip bagi try jaka kan sa IT no ke jaka jengki hakikat tu kan gibenta kumba R.1 kilometer hadolai kilometer. Hakabaydai bat ka Tura Dalu Road bat la bata yo Deputy Commissioner Banatura ban penstet ki kam ke basa ateng bat ki try jaka. Bat ke District Council kenang ba la ban shimtino ya ki jaka.
In the meeting, we discussed about this Dainadubi road, Dainadubi Darugre William Nagar Junction Road, which the formalities has been already completed. So we have some small issue. The pending issue is relating to compensatory afforestation, and I'm happy to inform you that even this compensatory afforestation diversion of land is more or less in the final stage, where the forest department has already identified the area for compensatory afforestation, and once this is handed over to forest department, then the project will take off. And then point number two, again, few pending stretches on Turadalu Road, that again, because of the landowners, they are yet to hand over the land, to hand over the possession of land in few stretches, both maybe 2.5 to 3 kilometers, and that also we have discussed, and I've given direction to the Deputy Commissioner Tura to fast track these pending issues with the concerned landowners as well as with this council, so that the hurdles in handing over those possession can happen immediately, because now the work is on only that stretch where we still could not start due to the land issue. So I'm very sure with this decision we taken today, we'll be able to make it happen.